I'm Renato Saltz. I'm the medical director and owner of Saltz Plastic Surgery in Saltz, Victoria. We are in 2 locations, Salt Lake City and Park City, Utah. As a busy plastic surgeon practicing in 2 locations and traveling a lot for society affairs, I don't have a lot of time to dedicate it to the business. I also have limited access to my data and reports. Not having all the facts and all the data limits my ability to make important business decisions for my practice. I have to be honest with you, when the consultants from Atlas first arrived in my office, I was very skeptical. There's always a new software, there's always a new gimmick. After receiving their feedback and actually experienced the dashboard in my hands, I felt much better about the product, and right now I can't spend a day without consulting the dashboard. After a consulting session, I received the pre-built software with all my data and was working by the next day. The features of Atlas software are quite amazing. It's in my laptop, it's in my smartphone, and I can access at any time. Today, in between cases, I was looking how many injectables were being done at the Salt Lake City office. The dashboard not only gives me reports of last year, last month, or yesterday, but also helps me to set targets and goals for the future. The key prognostic indicators and the business intelligence that comes with the software is really amazing. One of the things I enjoy the most about Atlas is the fact that I have this app with the dashboard with all my data right here in the palm of my hand.